Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm super excited today to be bringing you the launch video for my diamond painting event, DP for Vets 2023, which starts tomorrow. So you're seeing this on Tuesday, October 31st. Happy Halloween, everyone. And tomorrow, November 1st, starts my DP for Vets 2023 event. That is the hashtag that you should use. So please tag me on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on wherever, using that hashtag, or alternatively, you can just mention me at Diamond Painting Anonymous in my Facebook group, on my Facebook page, or on Instagram. But I would love to see your pictures as you complete things. I will be sharing pictures as I complete things, and I'm hoping we're all going to have a bunch of fun. Down below, you will find all of the official rules for the event. But basically, what it boils down to is you need to follow me here on YouTube. So if you haven't already done that, check below and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the like button. The event is going to run from November 1st through the 30th this year. Again, you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. There will be entry and exit forms via Google that you will need to fill out. The entry form is already open, so you can fill that out, but I will stick a link to that down below as well. The exit form will not open until November 15th. I want to give people a little bit of a breather before I post the exit form to give people time to complete some of their projects. You do need to fill out both the entry and exit forms to be eligible for the final prize drawing. For the kit itself, it needs to be a new start, at least 30 by 30 centimeters, and follow the Veterans Day / Remembrance Day / patriotic theme. As long as it fits into that somewhere honoring veterans, whether it's a picture of poppies, whether it is something to do with the military, whether it's something to do with your particular country, flags, whatever, any of that is good and acceptable. You do need to have a finish, so please keep that in mind. The exit form, like I said, will open on November 15th, and then you have until November 30th at midnight to fill out the exit form. And that is Central Standard Time because that's where I am. The exit form does require you to submit a photo, so make sure that you have a JPEG is probably going to be the easiest and smallest kind of file to attach the photo, because I take all of your lovely finished photos and I will make a video montage of those where I do the final prize giveaway, and I like to show off everyone's pretty pictures. So keep that in mind as you're finishing things. I have some lovely sponsors this year, and I'll be getting into those details in just a minute, but I wanted to answer just a few additional questions that I usually get. Are partials allowed? Yes, partials are allowed. Is license art required? It is not required, but encouraged. Multiple entries are allowed, but if you complete multiple kits, that only gets you additional entries into the weekly giveaway drawings, because I am going to be able to do weekly giveaways thanks to some wonderful subscribers who have sent me some things. You will only get one entry per person for the final prize package, no matter how many kits you complete. So for those of you who want to do multiple 30 by 30s, you are certainly welcome to do that, and that will get you additional entries into the weekly drawings. However, I didn't feel like that was fair to people who are completing kind of large canvases. So everybody just gets only one entry in the final prize package drawing, because some people are completing rather large canvases and there's just no way they can complete more than one in a month. Again, no start picture is required, but you do have to have a finished picture. And if you want whatever kit you're working on to do double duty for other events, because I know there are a ton of other events going on in November, please feel free. If the kit you're using for me works for another event or multiple other events, it makes no never mind to me if you use the same kit to enter all of them. That's perfectly okay. So next I want to talk about sponsors, now that we get all of that, the rules and everything out of the way. So I have some amazing sponsors, so huge thank you to all of them. I will have links to all of their stores down below, so make sure you check them out. So for the final prize package, I'm super happy to announce the sponsors. One of my sponsors is Creations Morin. They are a pin making company out of Montreal. However, I'm still waiting on their item to arrive because Canada. Shipping can be fun, but they are supplying a pen and some putty. So that will be one of the prizes. There will be also from Art Dot, who is another sponsor. They have provided the A1 size storage folder. So that will be part of the final prize package. So a huge thank you to them. I, of course, will be adding in additional little things. I've got some release papers that are veteran themed, patriotic themed. I've got some little flag cover minders that I'm going to be including. Some AB drills, of course. I always include some stickers and decals in everything. So those will all be included as well. This is not everything because I didn't want to give everything away. But so Creations Marin, Art Dot, and then I have a couple of veteran owned businesses, which I'm super excited about. So one of those is Butterfly Effect Wares on Etsy. And again, I will stick a link to their shop down below. I contacted them and they were kind enough to send some putty that is called Pixie Dust Putty. And then they sent this gorgeous pen that is called Meant to Be. And look at this gorgeousness. I'm so super jealous of whoever wins this because I absolutely love this pen. I'll wrap everything back up and make sure it's nice and neat for part of the prize package. But a huge thank you to Abby and John, who run Butterfly Effect Wares, for providing the pen and putty for part of the prizes. And then my last sponsor is Bella Art Diamonds. And a huge thank you to Jamie and Nicole. They are also a veteran-owned business. Jamie is now, I believe, retired from the military. And even though they see the boxes say Mary's Diamonds, they're just using up their old boxes. These are 2 kits from Bella Art Diamonds, and I'm excited about these kits. Not only is Bella Art a veteran-owned business, these 2 kits are done by a veteran artist. So I'll throw pictures up on the screen. This kit is called Prairie Sunrise from Stephen Morellis, and I will stick a picture on the screen of the painting, but I think this one is super pretty. And then there is also another one by him as well. And this one is called Pine Tree Haven. And I think they're just 2 absolutely beautiful, gorgeous landscapes. A huge thank you to Jamie and Nicole and to Stephen for doing the art and then for sending me the kits. So huge thank you to everybody who is a sponsor. I will be putting all of their logos and everything on socials as I post, and shouting them out as we go through the event. So please, please, please check out the description box below and check out their businesses and please support them. I also have some additional prizes planned. Like I said, I'm going to be doing weekly giveaways, and thanks to some generous subscribers, I have some pretty amazing things to give away each week. So again, make sure that you're filling out that entry form because that's what's going to put you in the drawing for the weekly prizes. So there's no start pick required. You can go ahead and fill out the entry form. Even if you haven't actually started on the kit yet, that's fine with me. As long as you complete it by November 30th, that will get you entered into the final prize drawing. But if you want to compete for the weekly prize drawings, go ahead and get all of your information entered, and then everybody who qualifies will be entered into those weekly drawings. I think that's everything that I need to tell you guys. If you have any additional questions, feel free to stick those down below in a comment. I tried to think of the questions I was asked most commonly last year during the event, and I think I covered most of those, but if I forgot something, please let me know. And again, a super huge thank you to all of the sponsors for being super generous and providing items for me to be able to give away during this event. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. My Whippin' Chats will be where I do the weekly giveaways. I do those on Sunday, so make sure that you don't miss those videos. And of course, throughout the week, my other videos, I will be talking about the event as well while I'm completing and doing other things. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. And again, a huge, huge thank you to all of the sponsors. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.